celebrate a very good man and a decentralized Nigerian. I'm here to thank the Ijaw people also for organizing this reception in honor of what a leader has done yesterday and has done today and is going to do tomorrow. It is not easy to recognize somebody for doing good in this country. But here we are, gathered from all over Nigeria to join you in this celebration of a very good man. This celebration is not just an honor, but I believe it's also a way and means to build around the peace and unity of Rivers State. With this honor for our brother Wike, by the Ijaw nation, it will send a different signal across the country today that what is happening in Rivers State is temporary. And by the way God works, the crisis will go down. And it is our belief that this celebration will also aid in accelerating the reconciliation between one of you, one of your sons, that is also a benefactor of Wike, to see this for him and his boss to come together so that this country and the state will see peace. We will continue to be around Wike because Wike, like one of us, believes in himself, believe and fight for what he thinks is right. And I'm one of those also who stand by what I believe is right and what I believe is what will work for my people. I'm not a member of the G5, but I will continue to remain a friend of the G5. All of us having our different views and our divergent interests. But we will continue to work together because I believe also as a leader, I should be able to do what I feel is right. I'm here with a lot of friends, senators from my state, to come and join you and join Wike in doing this celebration. It's not easy for a man to stand tall and build bridges across this country without being attacked or hurt. Wike has built people. Wike has made friends across Nigeria. Hardly will you go to any of the 36 states, including the FCT, which by the providence of Almighty God, today he is the minister. Wike has friends all over. And he has worked. And I don't think, except you have the opportunity to work for 8 years, you have the privilege to match Wike in terms of infrastructure, human and capital development, the way he has done in Rivers State. Most of us are challenged by what we come to see in Rivers State. And today, even though we are not oil state in the country, but go to Adamawa and see wonders. That if I am given the privilege and the resources like what is available in Rivers, I will have led my state to be the best in this country. This is a challenge I picked from Rivers State and from specifically from Wike. So you have a son that you will continuously celebrate. You have a brother that you continue to adore. And in him you can have a trust that no matter what, rain or sunshine, he is always for Rivers and he is always for Nigeria. Together we will continue to celebrate any good man like Wike. I thank you for choosing this day and choosing one of your sons, one of the best, to celebrate today. We'll continue on our own as leaders of our party to work together to see that we build a reconciliation between Wike and your government. Thank you and God bless.